Before you can become a millionaire, you must first understand how to adopt the mindset of one. Success in wealth building begins with mastering your thoughts and teaching yourself how to stay focused, disciplined, and motivated. It's about recognizing fear as an inevitable part of the journey and having the courage to overcome it, no matter how overwhelming it feels. The true path to wealth is not just about money, but about developing the mental resilience and inner strength that allows you to turn challenges into opportunities. Click on link to learn more